Have you ever felt a burning desire to achieve something extraordinary? To reach for the stars and turn your dreams into reality? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to Dream Big. This is a three-part series designed to bridge the gap between dreaming and achieving. Hi, I'm Pavitra, and if you're a dreamer like me, then this series is tailor-made for you. Join me as I share my insights and provide you with a roadmap to success. For those of you who've been following along, you know I like to understand the why, the what, and the how, the essential components of manifesting our dreams into reality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ambition, the why. So stay tuned till the very end. But first, hit that subscribe button and join our community of dreamers. Now, let's dive in. Dreams are the embodiment of our imagination. They allow us to envision an ideal life, but they remain hollow if they lack a sense of purpose. Enter ambition. It's more than just a word. It's a driving force, a spark that ignites the flames of possibility. But what exactly is it? At its core, ambition is the unwavering desire to achieve something significant, something beyond the ordinary. It's about setting goals, daring to dream big, and taking bold steps to make those dreams come true. Take Elon Musk, for example. From revolutionizing the electric car industry to colonizing Mars, Musk's ambition knows no bounds. He set audacious goals for himself, and through sheer determination and relentless pursuit, he's making the impossible possible. According to a study by Stanford University, ambitious individuals experience higher levels of motivation, persistence, and overall life satisfaction. So it's not just about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey along the way. Benefits of ambition, and why do we need it? Ambition is the fuel that propels us forward, even when the odds are stacked against us. My journey of starting YouTube was a dream I held on for years, but I lacked the determination and drive to make it happen. I struggled with doubts and fears, wondering if I had what it took to succeed. But despite the challenges, I refused to give up on my dream. I knew deep down that if I wanted to turn my passion into reality, I needed to get ambitious and take action. Research shows that ambitious individuals are more likely to achieve their goals and experience greater levels of success in both their personal and professional lives. Whether it's climbing a corporate ladder, starting a business, or pursuing creative talents, ambition opens doors and creates opportunities for growth and fulfillment. So why the negative connotation often surrounding ambition? Ambition is frequently misunderstood and often associated with negative traits like ruthlessness and selfishness. This perception stems from the historical portrayal of ambitious individuals as someone willing to sacrifice anything for their goals, even at the expense of others. However, true ambition is characterized by a sense of purpose and vision, setting high aspirations, and working diligently towards them. Ambition manifests differently for everyone. It could be a burning desire to make a difference in your community, to follow your passions, or simply excel in your career. Identifying ambition requires introspection and self-awareness. Start by asking yourself, what truly excites and motivates me? What am I passionate about? And what do I envision for my future? Take note of your interests, values, and long-term goals. Reflect on your past experiences that have brought you joy and fulfillment, and use those insights to shape your ambition. Addressing these questions provided me with the direction and focus I needed, and giving me the clarity and purpose in my journey. It fueled my determination, empowering me to take the crucial first step in realizing my dreams. It's important to remember, ambition is not about comparing yourself. It's about finding a healthy balance that propels you towards success. The level of ambition required is subjective and should be tailored to one's needs and values. Am I missing something without ambition? Absolutely not. Not everyone's driven by grand aspirations and lofty goals, and that's perfectly okay. Ambition is not one size fits all. It comes in many sizes and forms. It is personal, and there's no right or wrong way to define it. Whether your ambition is to lead a fulfilling family life, pursue a creative talent, or simply find happiness in everyday life, it is valid and a worthy pursuit. Embrace your individual path and strive to create a life that brings you happiness, whatever that may look like for you. Ambition isn't just an inherent trait. It's a skill that can be developed and nurtured over time. Transforming ambition into achievements requires a blend of vision, resilience, and planning. Begin by setting clear, compelling goals that resonate with your values. Break down those objectives into smaller goals, creating a roadmap that guides you. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and remain adaptable in the face of challenges. And adjust your course to stay aligned with your vision. We will delve into this more in the upcoming videos. Ambition isn't just a pipe dream, it's a blueprint for success. By harnessing the power of ambition, we unlock our full potential, overcome obstacles, and create the life of our dreams. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And remember, no dream is too big if you have the ambition to chase it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next installment of the Dream Big series, where we delve into the art of goal setting. Until then, keep dreaming big and never stop believing in yourself. You got this.